Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. For a long time, this was the gold standard for single board computing, and honestly, it still holds its own today. Whether you are building a retro gaming rig, a home server, a high-end IoT project, this is the brain you want. Let's get it out of the box and see what we are working with. Right away, you notice that familiar credit card form factor. But the Pi 4 was a massive leap over the 3B Plus. This specific model I have got here is the 8 GB version. If you're planning on running a full desktop environment or heavy Python data parsing like some radar projects that I have been working on, that extra RAM is a lifesaver. Let's talk I/O. We have finally moved to USB-C for power, giving us that much needed 3 amps of current. Next to it, you can see two micro HDMI. Uh, yes, this tiny thing can actually drive two 4K monitors at once. Now, a quick pro tip for your setup: the Pi runs very hot. That Broadcom chip is powerful, but it will throttle if you don't give it some air. If you're building a HAT or an enclosure, make sure you've got a decent heatsinks or a small fan. Also, don't forget the micro SD slot. On the bottom, it always recommends a Class 10 or A1 rated card to keep the OS snappy. If you are feeling adventurous, you can even boot directly from an USB 3.0 for maximum speed. And there it is, the Raspberry Pi 4B, still one of the versatile tools in any developer kits. I'm going to be integrating this into some upcoming hardware builds soon, so stay tuned for that. If you found this unboxing helpful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you are building with your Pi. See you in the next one.